Manor Vets, Edgbaston. You can now book non-emergency appointments online via our website at manorvets.co.uk. If your pet is currently in our hospital, please press 1. If your pet is having an operation today, please press 1. If your pet is in our hospital, then please press 2.
It's so silo. He looked like Jesus.
Hello.
How can I help?
Yeah, hi. My name is Siri. So 2 days ago, I took the wild board and dropped it there. So how is he doing?
Sorry, you dropped one off?
Young seagull.
Oh, a seagull?
Yeah.
He's okay. At the minute, we're going to probably transfer him to a rescue centre.
Oh, okay. So what's the problem?
I'm not sure, love.
Oh, okay. All right. I just want to get the update. That's it. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks. Bye.